Hey everyone, this is Chris over at beautiful Ace Vacuums, your one-stop shop for all of your cleaning and vacuum repair needs. We want to touch base on a quick question that we get from a lot of customers calling into our store. Do we do vacuum repair in Vienna, Virginia? And the answer to that question is yes. We do vacuum repair, service work, warranty work, central vac calls, all in and around the Vienna area. We're only a quick drive right up from the Vienna town center. We have a lot of convenient and easy parking here at our location at Ace Vacuums. We also are open 7 days a week, so it doesn't matter if it's a weekend or a weekday. You can find us here open, ready to be able to help you guys with all of your service and cleaning needs. Our vacuum repairs that we offer, it's pretty simple and easy process. There's no appointment necessary or needed. You just bring your vacuum in during working hours. We will then kind of look it over with you and see what everything that you want to get looked at. Once we get you the repair ticket, we will then send it back to the technician, which will do the follow-up and go through the whole system and see what all is needed to get it running and optimized. The performance of the vacuum, and then we'll give you the estimate. It is a free estimate. There's no charge for us to look at it. Once you approve of the repairs and the cost, we'll go ahead and get any parts ordered or get the work done immediately and then call you as soon as it's ready. The warranty work and the process for the warranty work is exactly the same, except the only thing we need is a proof of purchase or a receipt of purchase showing that you paid for the machine, and then some basic information, name information, address, and stuff like that, so we can send it off to the manufacturer. That way we can get all the parts ordered under the warranty and get those put on for you as quick as possible, and then we will call you or text you as soon as your vacuum is ready for pickup. We do also offer same-day repairs, so if you are in a pinch and you're looking for a same-day repair, it's best to come in earlier, and then as soon as you come in, let us know, hey, can you get this vacuum done? A lot of the same-day repairs that we can do is for vacuums that have little to no suction. The machine's not turning on, it's not picking up very well, different things like that. These are all very common basic issues that can be fixed relatively quickly. And then we also do service work and central vac system work. So if you have a central vacuum system and you're in Vienna, Virginia, and you're looking to get it repaired or replaced or upgraded, please come give us a call at 703-997-9292. We can help you out with all of that. We do everything for central vac systems, from MD Central to Newtone to Electrolux to Riccar, you name it, we can handle it. Don't forget to like us on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and follow us on YouTube. Kind of stay up to date with everything and new things that we got going on. Again, if you have any questions, please reach out to us. We handle all vacuum repair, service work, filter replacements, everything in Vienna, Virginia. Come by and see us here at Ace Vacuums. Thanks, guys.